Okay, the beeper just went off and the time to pull the Dutch baby.
We'll see if it's ready. It smells ready.
Smells ready. Oh God, it does smell so good in here. Oh my God, when they invent smell-o-vision, we're all in trouble.
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
So as soon as I take it out of the oven, it's going to start deflating.
Okay, run.
It's going to deflate when you put the toppings on anyway. Corner. Down the line. Alright, so see that like crackly?
Yeah.
That's because there's so much butter on it.
Nice.
It makes like a strudel topping and there's still pools of it, which is good. It's exactly how it should be. It's all crispy.
How much more eggs than a regular pancake batter go in that?
That has 10 eggs, which is about 10 and a half ounces of egg.
10 eggs per?
10 eggs in the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
And then 12 ounces of flour, so it's only barely more flour than egg.
So it's almost closer to a crepe.
Yes.
All right, so what's that, honey butter?
Yeah, freshly made. Danielle just made this.
Awesome.
It's honey cinnamon butter. We make it from scratch.
Okay.
And then also on this one's called the cinnamon twist. It's our most popular by far. This is cinnamon syrup, which is a heavy sugar syrup that we home make here with cinnamon sticks that steep in it for 3 or 4 hours. It's kind of hard to see on it, but it's not hard to taste. And then it gets topped off with cinnamon sugar, not really for taste, but more for appearance. There it is.
All right. Now I'm going to eat it.
Watch out. Do you want a coffee?
Not right now.
Okay.
I think I'll just start with this.
Nope.
And see where I go from here. I have to get myself aware. Okay. So this is the toughest part. I don't have a gimbal or a little stand, so do my best to one hand this Mikey Chen style. Okay. This is fun. Oh my goodness. If you guys could smell this, it smells like fresh cinnamon rolls that just came out of the oven. All right, ready? Oh my God, the center is tender. The outside is so crispy. Okay. I've actually never had this one before. Think of the best cinnamon bun you've ever had in your life, and then take out the heaviness of the bun itself, all the flavor, with, like you could eat 1,000 of these. This thing is literally incredible. So there it is, the Dutch baby, swimming in a pool of butter, cinnamon, and sugar. This is my one cheat for the day. I'll eat one more bite, hold on. It's really crazy. That half crispy with half tender is so nice. It's not exactly like a crepe, and it definitely isn't like a pancake. I'm not entirely sure. It's like, think like kind of thick crepe, but like tender and crispy together. Absolutely making amazing. I will add the recipe later in case anyone wants to try to make these at home. Just remember, it's got to be cast iron. It's got to be 500 degrees. It then, after you pour the batter in it, you put it in another oven at 450. Or just turn your oven down. You pour the batter in. Truth is, it won't kill you if you do it at 500, okay? Thanks, everybody. I hope you like to see the restaurant. If you want to come visit, it's at 609 Locust Street in Fall River, Massachusetts. And we're open Sunday, 7 to 3. Monday, we're closed. Tuesday through Thursday, 7 to 3. And then Friday and Saturday, 7 to 7. We do all kinds of breakfast, lunch items. We have the best Coney Island hot dogs in the area. Wimpy burgers. Our lumberjack burger is amazing. Our salads are to die for. I know you wouldn't expect that from a little place like this, but the Tex-Mex salad will blow your mind. We've got stuff for kids. We make specialty pastries that Chef Caden makes every week. So if you get a chance, come down. I wish we could ship these Dutch babies too, because they blow your mind.